Welcome back to the Watch Depot YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing another limited edition Seiko, this time from the Seiko 5 family. This is the Seiko 5 SRPL31K Yuto Horigome limited edition. If you aren't aware of Horigome, he is a legendary Japanese skateboarder who became the first person in the world to win gold in men's street skateboarding at the Tokyo Summer Olympics in 2020 on home turf. We've seen a Seiko and Yuto Horigome collab before with the SRPJ39K. We've done a video on that one when it came out, so if you want to check it out, you can. Righto, so let's get down to it. This style of Seiko 5 is known as the Flieger watch, German for pilots. And you can always tell you've got a Flieger watch by looking at the triangle at the 12 o'clock position. This style of watch is crafted for increased legibility. So big, thick handsets are usually the norm, and dark matte dials are also used. This would be considered a mid-sized watch with a diameter of 39.4 millimeters, a lug-to-lug of 48.1 millimeters, and a thickness of 13.2. On my 17 centimeter wrist, it fits just fine. One thing I love about this watch is the case and bezel finishings. With this smooth bezel and textured lugs, we get a strong modern look. And that is complemented by the textured dial that takes on a muted, almost dark green tone. This tone seems to get darker the further away from the center you are. Other than the texture, the dial actually looks quite busy with its hour and minute markings, typical of a pilot's watch. But I have to say, it's not too busy, because looking at this watch on the included black leather band, it all seems to work together. The case is shiny and smooth, the dial is a bit rough and crowded, and then the strap is sophisticated, tying it all together. Oh, and this logo of the two feathers, that's the Horigome family crest. Pretty cool. So yeah, I quite enjoy this watch, but I have to say it needed time to grow on me. At first, I just didn't like it for whatever reason, but after creating this video, I'm quite tempted to buy one myself. Now, this is a limited edition and there's only 4,000 being produced. So if you're like me and you're on the fence about buying this one, well, you better be quick, because once they're gone, they're gone. Of course, being a Seiko 5, this gets the 4R35 automatic movement with 41 hours of power reserve, a day-date complication, and a see-through caseback. So yeah, that's the Yuto Horigome Seiko 5 limited edition number 2. What do you think? Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. Hit that like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Watch Depot YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.